your project. So here's what I would like you to do. I want you to open your favorite browser. Could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Load up my website, just as an example. Go to caleb.io, right-click on the page, and then inspect, and then click the network tab, and then refresh your page if you don't see anything like we did in the last video. And then I want you to be able to filter your responses by documents, so like HTML, CSS, images, or JavaScript, and just kind of see what kind of things my website's going to try to serve you. Find an image and then open that image in a new tab, and then take a screenshot of your network panel. Just the entire panel, not the image itself, but take a screenshot of your network panel while it's open with all the different requests and responses in there, and share it in your project section. Now don't worry, anything you're doing here, it's not going to break your browser, it's not going to hurt your computer, it's not going to do anything that you can't undo by simply clicking the refresh button on your browser. So feel free to experiment, it's completely safe to do this. Go ahead, give us a shot, take a screenshot of your network panel while it's open, share it in your project section, and once you're done that, you have completed this course. Thank you for taking the time to watch this course. I hope you learned something new and exciting. Again, this is really important when it comes to web development. And if you wanted to learn more about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, APIs, anything like that, always feel free to view my profile. I have courses on all of these subjects already. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in another course.